All right. Let's see. How's everyone doing? All right. No, we didn't want to get rid of that, did we? We did not. We wanted that. We did. We did. Oh, okay. I know. I'm late. Let's see. Okay. We're good. Good, I think. All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome. Today, we're just playing around. I'm going to try to have a little bit of fun. What I really like to try to do is play around a little bit with LangChain. If you're asking why we're doing this in Python, I want to understand LangChain a little bit better. I understand it at a high level, but I've never used it. So I want to give that a shot. I know that there's like LangChain clones in Git or like in Rust and stuff, and maybe we use one of those in the future, or maybe we write our own. Who knows? But the first thing I want to do is basically get an idea what they can do, what they can't do, how they work. Can we use some small agents in it? I don't know. We'll find out. Sergeant Pepper, it's been a while. How are you doing? Sorry I haven't joined any of your streams. I feel like a terrible friend. I am a terrible friend. I'm a terrible friend. How are you doing? All right, I made a virtual environment. I copied and pasted the quick start. That's all I've done. Literally all I've done. Well, cool. If you don't know, Sergeant Pepper, I am getting one of the digits, the $3,000 AI computers for us to play around with. And I'm going to try to make it so that other people in the community can leverage it and use it. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm working on thinking about how I'm going to design that. A real simple system. We're going to try to do it mostly in fly.io. Yeah. And so we'll see. But then hopefully you guys can all use it, leverage it, play around with it. The more people that use it, the better. That way it's not like 3,000 down the drain. Oh dear. Well, do you still need a light, or like, are you emitting your own light? Just asking for a friend. I would never ask something like that. Okay. Is the music a little loud? Or is that good? All right, well, let's just see if the bot works. If what we have as the bot works with Discrod, and then we'll start adding. What was I going? We'll start adding the AI stuff. We're just going to use OpenAI. I was just wondering, Sergeant Pepper, how that was going. All right. So let's go ahead. I have the key. I have it in the environment. You know what I don't know how to do? It's like this. I know how to do this. It's something like, no. Token equals os dot get m disc. Yeah. Oh, wait. How is it? There we go. OS is not defined. Import OS. There we go. Cool. Can you guys hear the puppy? Wait. You guys can't hear that. I don't think you can hear that. He's saying he's dying. We got a new puppy. I'll post him on Discord. We got a new puppy, and he has separation anxiety. We're working on that right now. He has separation anxiety. All right. Let's see. We should now be able to, I need to practice my vimming, right? That is not, okay, that did not work out. I wanted, that's what I wanted. Can we just do that? Wait a second. Why can't this be? It has to be a type stir. Okay. Can we do like, how do we validate in Python? Well, I don't know how to do this. Python make, stir none to stir. Yeah. Oh, you know what we need to do is we need to just use, this is why I hate Python. Every single time. This is why. If token, why is tab complete not working? I don't know why it's not working, but it's fine. Does this not make it a string? Oh, we gotta also, yeah, we'll just call exit here, right? That should work. Because then anything that's getting out here is a string. Perfect. So now, that didn't work so well. That didn't work as well as I thought it was going to. Okay, do we just need to do audio OP? Let's just do that. Oh, the real lurk. Wait. Is there an OR case in Python? I've never done an OR. Python os.get OR. Oh, you can just do it in here. I just handled it the way I did because this way, at least, there's just some complaint. I don't want to default. This. Oh, you can just do the, oh, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. So instead, what we really do like this is, actually, so cleaning this up a little bit would look a little bit more like this. If os dot, is that really even cleaner? Because then I would have to do like get m twice, right? I don't want to do get m twice, do I? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm gonna leave it like this. It probably works. I know. Bear with me. We're learning about LangChain, not about Python. I mean, we will learn a little bit about Python vicariously through LangChain, but we're here to learn about LangChain and not complain about Python. We're just gonna roll with the punches. That's the saying. I'm pretty sure that's the saying. We're gonna do it. We're going to learn to appreciate the nuance of Python package management. Let's see, pip install. Okay, so that didn't work out nearly as well as I was hoping it was going to. I thought I could just pip install that. Oh, this is a discord.py. Python 3.13 is released. Thank you very much. It can't be in Python because oh. Let me see what Dirk put. This looks not horrible. This looks not horrible. So do something like this. Okay. And then we can always do this, delete all this, and then we can run our main thing in here. This is token, and then wait. So if we make this token, right? So token get, and then this is Discord token. Then everything in here will have the token, so we could do like client. Oh no. This is if not. So then we can do the print ignore. Yeah. I got this. Wait, I don't got this. Tab complete is not working in Python. Okay. And then we can take out this garbage, right? Oh, that's actually pretty clean. I like that. I was not coming up with that on my own. Not at all. Scope. You know, I actually struggle with this. I struggle so much harder in a language that doesn't adopt curly braces in understanding scope. Like something like C++, C, Rust, even C Sharp, the scope of the variable token makes sense to me. In here, it's hard for me to know if it's just in here that it's valid or out. I'll get accustomed to it. But yeah, scope is a thing. There we go. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do is we need to change our version of Python. My goodness, that dog is Okay, so how do we update how do we update a virtual environment? I don't know how to do that. Update Python version in virtual environment. I'm just doing the same thing over again. There we go. I've used Python virtual for many Python. I have a project where so I want to do is upgrade Python version to this. Okay, yeah. So you just delete the virtual environment? Okay. We'll just try this. Again, this is not a how much we hate Python stream. You all know I have just for the word on JavaScript. I missed beeping that in the correct. That was a fail on my part. But those two languages. But today it's about learning and expanding our expanding our horizons on learning some AI. Like I said, I want to understand LangChain a little bit better. I know it, understand it from a high level, but I've never actually leveraged it. I want to leverage it, build something, see how it ticks, what makes it tick, what not. Okay, so let's follow this. We're just going to, I'm not going to worry about freezing, blah. We're just going to, we'll deactivate first. We'll deactivate. Okay. Pym deactive. Cool. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to delete. I always name mine the directory name. I don't know, Discord AI. Yes, please. No, small y. All right. And now I don't think we need to do we need to, we'll install. Let's install, let's see, 3.12. What's the latest 12? Python versions. I just want the latest 12. Okay, but what's the latest 12 version? Can I just do 12? Can I just do that? Is that acceptable? I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. And it's getting 8. You said it was 8? And it's getting, this is good. I just wanted the latest. Thank you. Look at that. We can just sit back and relax. as we dropped some frames. We dropped a few frames. That's unfortunate. Well, the whole reason I have PyEnv is because I wanted to do some AI stuff, right? That's like the whole reason. The whole reason to dabble in the forbidden arts of Python. Yeah. All right. So now we can do PyEnv virtual and 3.12 and Discord AI bot. If I could spell. You're touching PEM modules? Dirk, good luck. We wish you all. May the force be with you. There. That's all the nerddom I can send your way. All right. All right. Now we should now we need to reinstall the things that we installed, right? So what was that? It was Discord. Wait. It's come on. Wait. I have this. Let me. Cone of silence. You know, I prepared. I thought I prepared. I actually tried beforehand to get rid of all the cone of silence stuff. I created a Discord app. I got the token. I put it in a file. And obviously I screwed up. Get that Nightbot warning. Take it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's this isn't even auto-mods level of getting trouble. I was gonna say, I have troubles with all of the mods because they're all dented in their own way. Like, you did all caps for one that was funny. Or designed to be funny. It's not like you spammed caps a bunch. Or even a long message that was all caps. Automod was owning him. Okay. Let me see if this did the things that we needed. Okay. This is actually looking correct. I might have misspelled Discord in the export. I might have, but you guys don't know that for sure because you didn't see it. So definitely didn't do that. All right, let's see. Now I think if I do python main.py, it's going to run, but this isn't really going to work. Yeah, did I name it Ultra AI? Yes. Yes, I did. Absolutely named it Ultra AI. Naming isn't my strong suit. Ask my children. Naming's not my strong suit. Child 1, child 2. No, it's child 0, child 1, and child 2. Okay, please. I zero index that crap. Ultron AI. Okay, so I have some plans, but none for today. None for today. Today we're gonna see if we can get everything working. Okay, that's the plan for today. Now, I don't think this actually works because I don't think that this actually works right now because I think that it has to have a public API. So we're going to have to like ngrok it, right? We're going to have to like ngrok. Yeah. I don't know Discord ports, what port Discord works on. Let's see if their quick start states. It doesn't, but how would it know? I mean, is it pulling? Is that how it does? Like, does it pull? Let me send a message in, but I didn't even tell it what ones to listen on. Let's go back. Let's go back. Here we go. We'll just view some examples because I don't think it's actually listening to, like, we got to make it like register to a channel. Like, it's not listening to my whole Discord. Or is it? Oh, actually I have to install it in the server first, right? Yeah, I got some work to do. So this is the bot. I already got the token, so guys can't see that. You guys should be able to see all of this, I think. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, my tag. AI. That's my tag. Good luck. Where do I install the app on my server? Installation. Here we go. So I should just be able to do this, right? I should just be able to do this. Boom. Let's install it. The AI you did not. Okay, this is pretty fantastic. Let me pull this on screen for you guys. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Good job. Continue to Discord. And now it's here. Now it's here and not here. Fantastic. Well. Let's, 1 second. Let me cone of silence. Get rid of some stuff. All right, here we go. Yeah. The AI you did not know you needed in your Discord server. Add to server. Select a server, the null channel. Yeah, authorize that crap. Beautiful. It's now in here. Do we have a bot? We don't have a bot. We're gonna put it on the AI ML channel because that's what we're trying to learn here. Okay, we installed it. But the bot doesn't know that. Guessing game, new member. How does it know what channel? was CES like, I thought CES was low-key gaslighting. I am not even gonna lie. Like, if you watched CES, it was low-key gaslighting of AI, right? That's how it felt to me. Maybe not even low-key. Maybe low-key is too nice. maybe low-key is just too nice. Wait, can we like at Ultra AI now? No. Look, Sergeant Pepper, it's been a month since I've leaked a token, okay? Now, some are gonna come out there and say, some, very few. Let me just tell you to be mindful that are gonna say that it's because I haven't streamed for a month. But I would say that's a lie. It was more like 3 weeks, okay? And I haven't leaked a token for a month. So there you go. There you go. Yeah, right. Did I leak a token while moving? Oh man. It's been, you know, I'm super happy with the move. It's been a long process, and I felt terrible for not streaming. It would have been basically impossible. We're literally snowed in at this point, because we've been low-key LARPing as Canada. You know, we probably generally get 2 feet of snow per 2 years. Like, we probably get a foot of snow every year. That's like generally us. And then the weather was like, you know what? How would you like 2 feet of snow in 1 day? You guys haven't seen my driveway. I'll have to try to show you my driveway experience. But that was park my cars at the end of my driveway and then not be able to get out anyways. You know, you do all this and then you still can't get out because the snowplow went. And there's like a 5-foot embankment between you, where your car is, and the road. So I was just like, it's okay. We don't need to go anywhere anyways. It was fine. It's not like we just moved in. Oh, and then like also it stayed below freezing. For those of you in the US, that's 32. For the rest of you, that's 0 for 2 weeks. And we got another 5 to 6 inches of snow this last two days ago when I had to drive a friend to the airport. What a day. Okay, what were we doing here? Oh, I think I need Ingrok. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I don't. The other thing is, what's this system.channel? I need to understand, not this, not that. I was gonna do a Slack app, but then I thought Discord would just be more fun. Okay, how do I tell it? Getting started. A primer to gateway intents. Oh, this is nice. I did this. Let's see. Bot. I basically just clicked everything. Not the right thing, but I just clicked everything. I was like, this is the ultimate bot. It needs all the permissions. We're just doing the default right now, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are. Let's do in grok. No, nothing in the, maybe it doesn't need in grok. I mean, if it doesn't need in grok, it doesn't. Like, it could be polling. Like long polling. What I'm struggling with is, how do I send a message in a specific reply? Okay, so let's see, on reply. So we do my client. Let's like get our code up here. So we have this at client thing. We're not doing it quite the same way as the examples. This was their quick start. So I think this should be fine anyways. So, and this is saying if the client is the user, whatever, if it starts with hello, we're gonna just space this out a little so it's easier to read. We should respond with hello. Is this on any channel? Like, I just let me let's jump over to our Discord. Yeah, we need to PyM activate Discord AI bot. We need to get out of there. I did actually, just before stream, I fixed a problem with PyM. How do we know that you didn't leave a post-it note somewhere with your tokens? I actually don't put tokens on post-it notes, and I'll tell you why. It's kind of a secret people don't know about me. But I suck at typing. And my tokens generally are not fun to type. There you go. I've been exposed. My inability to type quickly has saved me from the post-it note catastrophe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, copy and pasta all the way. Is the stream pausing? I have a few dropped frames. So it could be not you. It could be not you. My internet's not that great. And there's literally, look, if it gets bad, I will get Starlink. Now, I don't know that Starlink's going, Starlink service plans. I don't know that Starlink is going to fix it. And I'll show you why. I don't think Starlink's going to fix it because... Oh, it's not showing it. Starlink... upload speeds. Yeah, I just dropped frames again. My internet's obviously sucking right now. So, this is the key important thing. And 5 to 10 is just garbage. I mean, it's what I'm getting right now. 5 to 10. Now, what I need to do, and what I've wanted to do, is AV1 encoding. What I need to do is see if I cannot get AV1 encoding on my Mac Mini. It doesn't have hardware support. I actually was gonna buy an M4 if it had hardware support for AV1 encoding, but it doesn't. And so I'm left with two options. And some of you are gonna ask why AV1 encoding, because AV1 is actually going to let me encode basically the same quality with fewer bytes, with a smaller bit rate. And since I do text, a lot of text, the problem is a lower bit rate. I could lower the bit rate, but it'd become very difficult to read, because we could go into how encoders work. I actually know H.264 and H.265 fairly well. I did some shaders and stuff a long time ago for those on Windows. Terrible. But text is much more difficult with a lower bit rate. If this doesn't work, if I can't do software encoding on my streaming PC because there's not enough CPU, what I'll do is we'll build a Battle Mage mini GPU, because it has native hardware encoding of ARC. So that's what we'll do. I think it will be fun. Now, I'm trying not to spend money this year, so I don't want to do this unless if I have to. But what we'll do is we'll find like the most minimalist build with the cheaper B580. It's like 250, completely overkill. I wish they had a one step. I wish they had a B like oh wait, no, maybe the B570. I wish they had a 560. I wish they had a 560. But the B570. Yeah. Now, I can't do the try to do software encoding. I'll do that on my own. I can't do it because like I'd have to stop the stream to try to do software encoded streaming. Now, you'll probably see a test stream from me one of these nights this week as I try it and see if we can do it. So, and the stream so far on this is actually the first stream with dropped internet. I can't do a speed test while streaming. But the problem with the internet that I have right now is it's fine most of the time. And then sometimes it's just like, nah, no thanks, buddy. No thanks. All right. Well, unfortunately, the people there was this whole thing because I also there's people. When I got this house, I was super excited because the people had fiber. The people here in this house had fiber. And And I called that fiber company and I said, yo, set me up with sweet fiber, please. And they kind of responded with, nah. They were kind of like, nah. And what they explained to me is that the old people were on the V1 network, and they're not taking any more people on the V1 network. And they're only putting people on the V2, but they haven't run V2 to me. And they said, check back next year. And I was like, you mean in 2 weeks? And they were like, no, we mean in like 12 months. So, when it will get here, I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. Dude, I don't know, because like a network upgrade to me seems like not the cable, but is it the cable? I don't know. I honestly like, I don't understand like I don't know. And honestly, I would have dug into it if I was with a network tech on their side, but the person I was talking to also didn't know. You know, if this was a technical person on their side, I would have loved to like join my Twitch stream and let's like talk this through. I'm sure that there's a technical reason, probably, because I tried to talk to like 3 or 4 different people, because at first they were just like, no, we don't support your address. And I was like, the people before me had service through you guys, so you support my address. And they're like, and so like I got passed around a bunch. And I was just done by that point. At that point, I just needed some internet, so I had to move on. Let's just do hello. So see, this is not working. This is not working. Like I was promised in the quick start. Can you not at a bot? Oh, I need to do this. I need to do the command hello. I was not, wait. No, this is not gonna work. I was going to do hello, right? But that's not gonna work. See, I don't know that this is working. Don't I need to register? Afterwards, you can check the message.content start with hello. If it does, then you send the message that was used with hello. This is a basic way of handling commands, which will be later automated with. It's running. But I don't see it, right? Because I should be able to at the Ultrabot, right? I added it to the server. Now, my thought was, let me look through, wait, it's over here. If I go here, don't I need to tell it where it is? I thought, I haven't made a Discord bot for a while. I thought though that I needed to give it like where the bot was running, because I thought that there was some sort of push, but I mean, it could just join and then that's fine. Do you know what? I mean, I hate to put it in general. Yeah. And I installed it, right? I mean, we can try this again. Add to my server, the Null channel. Ultra has been authorized and added to the Null channel. All right. All right, now if we go, we're going to go back to our, and we're going to do at Ultra. Now, the only thing I can think of is that it doesn't have the right permissions, but I turned all these things on. And as we're looking at it, actually, you know what? We should be running it here. We should stop it here. We should run it here. Python main.py. Let's see. And now we should run it here. We can look at it here, main.py. Okay. Does it have permissions? I mean, so this is what I thought the intents was doing. I thought, again, obviously, I could be wrong. And we were asking for message I mean, this was their quick start, right? This was their quick start, not my quick start. So it's with everything enabled except a message content, which we then set message content to true. That's not what I meant. I did not mean that at all. So we get this on ready. We've been logged in as this user. We've been logged in as Ultra AI. Which is interesting because, again, we can't do Ultra A. Can I see people on show member list? Can I search this? I did the good old yeah, this is like searching the messages. I want to search this, like Nightbot. That's an app, right? But yeah, Ultra AI doesn't appear to be showing, right? Oh, is the presence. Oh, you know what? Maybe. So we do intents dot presence equals true. I think it would be cool for people to have that because then they get to know if it's on or not. The weird thing here is that I should be able to do at ultra even if it's offline. Like it would just show it as offline, right? So that doesn't even truly make sense. What have I done wrong? Strange gives you introduction. It assumes that you have the library installed. If you can't install the portion, okay. Is there anything else in installing other than just installing? This is just installing Discord.py. Right. It almost seems like if I wanted it to be a channel, I would have to do something like if message dot I was hoping that there would be like some sort of like what's on this message. Oh my gosh. You know, like I'm just gonna message dot channel dot name equals what was the channel name? AIML. Yeah. AIML. You know, we're just gonna if it's in this, if somebody posts in this channel, we're gonna send something back. It doesn't have to match anything. And then we'll delete this. We'll delete this as soon as. It's a terrible bot. It's a terrible bot. Okay. So we're ready. Post. Dang. All right. It's either not installed properly, which I honestly think it's not installed properly because we can't do at, you know, like 2 years ago, we made a bot. And then the null bot, you can still at, right? So ultra, you just can't add it. So I don't think it's installed properly. We can try installing it again. Oh, is it guild installing instead of user? I honestly don't know the difference between a user install and a guild install. Consumed prints. I am not right now. Okay, so for those of you just joining, the whole purpose of what I'm doing right now is to learn this library called LangChain better. I actually have seen some stuff built with it. I've seen it in use, some of its code, but I've never actually touched it myself. And so this little micro project is to just do some stuff with it and 4.0 mini and play around with how it does stuff. before I try to go off and do something in Rust or Go or whatever, or Camel, but it's just to try it out and understand how it works a little bit better from like a more practical, touchy-feely angle. Okay. But before we can do that, I have to get the bot working. Yeah, I do. All right. Come on, customize your server by adding this app. Ultra AI, the AI you did not know you needed in your Discord server. Add to server. The Null channel. Okay. Create commands. Oh, wait. Maybe it's a permission thing. This application cannot read your messages or send messages as you authorize. I still feel like I should be able to at Ultra AI. At Ultra AI. But I can't. I can't. Why can't I? Right, absolutely. I agree that it should. It is not. Which makes me feel like I'm actually just screwing up adding it to the server. But I don't know what else to do. Like, even if its permissions are wrong, it should be... Maybe restart Discord? AI can't spell. Okay, so if it's permissions, if it's purely permissions, which I still don't think it is, because if we did at the bot here and the bot didn't have permissions here, it would still be, you know, this bot never had permissions to this channel, right? So it would still be fine. Let's go back here though and look at this. How do we give it permissions? Permissions. Where do we set permissions? Okay, let's see. All right, so we just set the number here, right? Okay. Can we see an example of how to use this? It says on Discord. Is that this? Okay. It's this client. So can we just do something like client.permissions permissions. And then we can come over here and create those permissions here, right? I won't give it kick and ban members, okay? Not administrator. Create, change nickname. If it learns to change its nickname, we'll let it do it. I did find the razor. I did find the razor. I'm not gonna lie, I've never had. It actually takes a while for me to grow anything. It's probably been a month and a half at least, because I lost my razor before we even moved. It might have been 2 months because somebody packed it. They weren't supposed to pack it. And so it's probably 2 months. I don't grow facial hair very well. Like, for somebody who grows a lot of head on the top of their head, I don't do this very much. And so anyways, I've never had a mustache before. And I can tell you, mustaches are quite possibly the most annoying things I have ever had. I did not know this. I did not know this as a thing. I honestly did not. This almost seems more of it's like this. I don't know. Wait. It's more like this? What? I'm not sure. Okay, so permissions does not exist. Wait. Jumping from jobs to Discord now? What do you mean by that? Oh, does this go to the invite URL? Is that what it is? I don't know. They didn't say that. Do we just put that on the invite URL here? This is the client ID. How do I set the permissions? I mean, maybe. They don't make this clear. They're just like, here's your permissions integer in case you don't want to do integer math. So we can just add, okay, cool. We'll do that. Installation. I have to make a custom one though to do it. Okay, so custom URL. We'll do this. And then we'll do, let's see, we'll do, so you're saying just, we got to do a scope. Okay. So we'll do scope equals bot. And then we can do another permissions. I don't know why I did this question mark here. Oh, you know what I didn't remember that number. It was like this. It was a big old number. Let's go back. You know what? If I had to do this, it would make sense to make this calculator over an installation. That's all I'm saying. Let's see. It probably doesn't really need any of this stuff right now. And honestly, the only reason I'm doing this is because the idea is this bot is just to play around with for a little while. If we were really to do this, I don't know that I would make it in Python. I don't, everybody knows I don't love Python. We're using it because we want to learn something that's in Python, but I don't personally love Python. Personal note, I understand this. All right. I'm gonna save that. We're gonna copy that. So that being said, I still don't know why. I'm not sure that this makes a difference. Yeah, it can send messages and stuff, but like, it was never getting added. It was never getting added as like a thing that you could at, right? Please click on all the objects similar to the given pattern. We have a cloud, we have a cup, we have a cup. So they're wanting this cup. That's it. This cup. I have failed these on multiple chains. Ah, we got an ultra AI. It should, in this one, just respond to it. Cool. And then if we're on a general one, we should be able to do hello. Okay, cool. Cool. But it shouldn't respond to that. Okay. So not having permissions to send a message, this is actually interesting because I wouldn't have guessed this because I gave it no permissions, but it still didn't show up as addable, right? So there is add a bot to the permissions. Did I put add a bot to the permissions? I didn't do that, did I? I just did text permissions, right? I gave it all the text permissions. Oh, the scope bot. Oh. I'm an idiot. Like, that makes sense now. That makes sense now. I understand now. Probably. At least better. At least better. Gosh dang it. Oh. I see. I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Well, now. We can remove this one. We don't need this. What would be cool is what I want you to be able to do as an AI bot is if it is at the bot. So if message dot how do you check if something's atted you? I want it to be like at Ultra AI, right? Let's just go to their examples. Basic bot, basic voice, converters, custom context, deleted edits, guessing game, new member, reaction role, reply. Let's do reply. Like it should be reply. If we, okay. Is this it? This is a command. Oh, this is mention author, like, so they'll at whoever authored it. I got it. I got it. I want to check for a mention, right? That's what I want to do. I wonder if there's like a bot.mentioned, right? These are commands. We could do some commands, but I really wanted at mentioned. Python Discord bot on mention. Oh, let's actually ask ChatGPT this. I need to get better about trying to make this ChatGPT work. Wait. Discord.py isn't maintained any longer? What? It was the first search result. I'm so sad. Is this really true? It was 7 months ago. I mean, that's not great. That's not great. It didn't say deprecated. I feel like this isn't true. Is it true? I want the repos. No, I want the where's the repo? Homepage documentation. No, I want the GitHub repo. Oh my goodness. All right, well, at least we weren't too far into it. All right, well. I guess we'll just, I guess we'll just go with this. It'll be good. Next chord or pi chord? Which one? Which one? Let's ask ChatGPT. Should I use pi chord or next chord? Next chord sounds more fun. We're going with next chord. Okay. We're going with next chord. Pip install next chord, please. I wonder if we could use the latest version of Python with these. Does that just work? Like, since I wasn't using a whole lot, I don't know. All right, yeah, that works. Okay. All right, let's see. I asked about permission. Okay. Using next chord, how do I know that that the bot has been mentioned in a message? It would be hilarious if it just put somebody else's token in there. All right, intents messaged content equals true. We got all of this. Oh, a bot user mentioned and message. Now, if we wanted to be really dangerous, we could not check if it was written by us and... Oh, wait. Where does bot come from? Oh. Oh, what are they doing here? I don't know. We're gonna copy and paste. Not. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So they're doing commands.bot. This looks fine. We don't have any commands. I don't know that we will. But if we need bot to exist, like that's fine. Mentioned in is not a no member of none. Okay, obviously didn't do something right here. Or this is also just not right. That's it, right? That's it. We could try defining a command. But this is not... I didn't really want to do commands, right? Right, because it's not like you're giving... I mean, we could make separate commands, but the whole idea was like you just add it. And since it's AI, it should get the command out of it. That's my hope. To install addition for speed up, run the... What is speed up? Okay. Okay, and you can do. Can we just do this? Can we just do this for the bot? Let's see. Yeah, mentioned in is not. Let's check out the examples. I want to see a mention. Custom interaction. No. Okay. Come on, ChatGPT. Let's just try it again. Using next chord. How do I check if a message mentions my bot? Ah, this looks more okay. This will actually look. We'll see, because this is like a function on the user. This looks. Yeah, that was BS. Sorry. That's and it even doesn't not compile. Doesn't not compile. That's a new one for me. All right, our Ultra AI is online. Let's test it. I messed up. This should have been false. All of those should have been false. Wait. What are we, let's see. Let's see. Where did we mess up? Where did we mess up? We can always test with not that at all. We can always test with it is working. So I just didn't get the mention. You know what I want to do now? One, let's stop testing in this one and actually test in the AI ML. What I want to test here is this. Let's do something easy. If message dot channel equals AI ML. we'll do something like await message dot channel dot send. What are we wanting to send? We want to send bot dot, oh, no. We want to actually send. We'll do it with the, right, like this. Message dot, oh, no, bot dot user. Because that's what we're checking here. And let's get the message dot mentions, right? Why can't we send? We send in every other one. Is this not how we did this? Didn't we do this? No. It's like channel.name, right? It's like, something like that, maybe? I think that's what it is. I've been wrong many a times. All right. So now, hello, Ultra, at Ultra AI. Hey. An absolute fantastic failure. An absolutely fantastic failure. I think I gotta do something like that. So we're gonna just pretend that didn't happen and that I'm an experienced software engineer. Oh, good. We were in an ad break. Fantastic. We were in an ad break. Hopefully no one saw that. All right. Ooh. Okay. Check this out. We have the none and okay. Interesting. This is returning bot.user is returning none. So this is none. Dang it! Sam Babs on YouTube saw it. Sam, why did you have to be lurking there on YouTube without those ads, without those sweet ads? Disappointing having those viewers. Okay, let's go back, not here, to Nextcord. Let's go to quick start. It's not quite what I wanted. That's a more minimal quick start than I wanted. I wanted to see, do we go back to their repository? Wait, why did, I don't know. Yeah, I'm on Twitch as well. You can find me here at Twitch. I stream to both places. On YouTube, my YouTube channel, my main YouTube channel is the Null Labs, the Null channel. Here on Twitch, I just stream by my name, Merrick Counts. Welcome to all of you. Right now, I'm playing around with Python. Forgive me. I'm terrible at Python. I'm actually actively terrible at Python. Okay, so I want to see, let's see, on event, let's see. So that's what I'm doing, right? I'm doing this on event, client.event on message. And on the message, I want to ignore ones by myself. But they don't do that here, do they? Okay, no. How do they see? Thank you. Thank you for believing in me. Now, I meant to do some AI today, but so far I've been Merrick learns Python better and how to connect to this thing. What I want to see is how to get... This is not getting the right... Like, this isn't getting me. This isn't getting... Do you know what? I'm an idiot. Check this out. It's here. The name, Ultra AI. So I can just do that. Right? I can just do... Okay, that should, this is gonna work. I deleted the other one just because I have such confidence in this working. But it's not gonna work because it's a whole object and it's not the same object because I didn't even think about it. It's the object dot name. So it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. But I had confidence. I had lots of confidence. Was it misplaced confidence? Maybe. But I'm getting close because this is just an array of mentions. And in that, I need to look for mentions dot. Is there like a find? Find. I don't want first. Is there a find? Yeah, something like this. Yeah. I am getting it. I don't know how to do this in Python, but I am trusting the AI. So let's see. Okay. Mentions dot find. Is this correct? Probably not. Okay, so where I don't want ID, I want name. Name is equal to, oh my goodness, is it just client.user? Oh man, look, it's client.user ID, right? So I could have done, no. Okay, wait. I could get this lambda, this would work. This would work, but it's so much dumber than that because I could just do if client.user is mentioned in message. Oh my goodness. Mentioned in is not, but we already knew this. We learned that. But we could do is in message.mentions. Right? And then we can just delete this because that was kind of embarrassing. All right. Wait. What does the okay, so real noob question in Python. What does the @ultra AI do then? Is that kind of like the lambda? Booyah! I told you. Confidence, while misplaced, I was very close. I was very, 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 very close. Okay. Now we can move on to the AI part. Now we can move on to the AI part. All right. I need to run and get a drink. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. I'm gonna stand up. Been streaming for almost 2 hours. Haven't stood up. And I've been streaming Python. So that's even more stressful. Thank you. Have a good sleep. I will be trying to stream more often. I just finished, and I say just finished moving. We haven't unboxed all of our boxes. So I'm not going to stream as often as I was, but I will be ramping up to stream as often, if not more often, than I was. So I'll be streaming some more. Thanks for joining. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick coffee break. That takes about 10 minutes to make coffee, go wrestle a child to the ground, and do that. So I'm gonna go do that. You guys have fun listening to this gentle music, as we'll be right back. I need to make that be right back screen. I need to do that too. I have so many things I need to do. Be right back. Oh, you missed everything. Absolutely everything. Okay. All right. Now that we figured this out, I can't even remember. The fact that this was an issue is an issue, because if you guys notice, I was filtering it out here, and I wasn't even looking at the client was. Oh, okay. Not even sure what I was thinking. All right, let's start adding. Let's start adding a lang chain to this. Here we go. We're just gonna do it with a Chat GPT. Yeah. We're gonna do it with this one. Don't we have to just do, wait. I thought we had to do LangChain itself, right? Yeah. We gotta do this at least. Let's give it a second. How are you doing, Dane? I haven't seen you for a little while. Okay. We got it. Let's do... let's do this. So what we're going to do first is just use ChatGPT. Let people use it like ChatGPT. We're going to use ChatGPT's cheapest model. Let's ask ChatGPT what that is. Let's ask. What is ChatGPT's cheapest? Let's see if it can get it right. I want to say it's their 3.5 turbo, right? But was 4.0's turbo? Okay, it is 3.5 turbo. So this is a tenth of a penny per 1,000 tokens. And yeah, I think this is what I'm using for I think this is what I'm using for the events. Oh, which there was a follow event, which you should have got. Did you guys see a thing? It should be working. I think I updated the token, which we still need to work on that. Which, thank you for the follow. We're at 900 follows. Remember, at 1,000 followers, I have a YouTube video just for you guys. Just for you guys. You gotta follow to unlock. Okay, so I think we can just take this string. We're gonna use this. We're gonna throw that there because then we gotta go back to LangChain and get this. Yeah. And instead of this, we're going to go with, let's see, we could have just done this and that. That's dumb. Let's see, I think we can do little t and GPT. Done. Okay. And then we can throw these at the top. Boom. And then I think this actually should be moved up here. Actually, that too. Let's do that. Okay. Did we not do all the imports? Let's do this. Let's just refresh our Vim. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's delete that. All right. So then let's just do this. Let's do something like this. It's just super simple. We're going to keep this super simple. First, I've only seen LangChain used. I'm pretty new to it. 2, and I've been reading up on it. But 2, I'm terrible at Python. Absolutely terrible. All right. So what we want to do is, if we've been mentioned, I want to basically do something here. Let's format a message. So we're going to put an F here. We're not going to repeat last. And we're going to do... Can we just put the message in here? Can we literally just... What does invoke take? Yeah, I'm almost feeling like we just put message. Is that terrible? This is probably going to be terrible, but let's do and then we'll just do this, right? And we'll delete that. You know, instead of delete, we'll delete this. We don't need it. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at you all. This will cost me money. Do not abuse it. And I'll only run it while I'm doing stream. You guys are so gonna abuse it, aren't you? Chat GPT. All right. All right. So now we should be able to, at Ultra AI, how many points are on a Star of David? Okay, at least we got ignored exception on message. Oh, okay. So it must be a prompt value, stir, or list of base messages. I don't know what that means exactly, but we could make it a stir. Because we could just do like content, right? And that's just gonna, I was thinking like if you send the whole message, it has more context to do with it, but like whatever, it's fine. We'll make it dumb. We're gonna make it dumb. Oh, I see what you want there. You want the, you know what? It's exclamation Discord in Twitch. And thanks for the follow, by the way. Did you get a AI generated message? Because you should have. If you didn't, it's broken right now. How many points are on a Star of David? We got, you know what? It's fine. This is a bigger failure, which is good. Which is good. Invalid model ID. Okay. So it's saying that. Oh. It's saying that ChatGPT 5.3 Turbo is bad. How do we get these? How do we get model names? Is it 5.3? Like, is this just no point? Is it like 53 or 35? Or is ChatGPT going to have to skip model 35? ChatGPT API. Code of silence. Code of silence. I just messed up too. Log out. Log out. Log in. Give me a second. I'll get there. I'll get there eventually. Okay. Models. Is this where we get it? ChatGPT lied to me about ChatGPT. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. ChatGPT lied to me about ChatGPT. Can't be trusted. Can't be trusted. Cannot be trusted. This is actually the problem. This is actually a problem. Okay, well. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I mean, it's close. It's close. This is not the best way to respond. Not the best. So what we really need to do down here is just the content. Done. All right. Now I realize we haven't done a whole lot of actual work here. I realize because who is the best YouTuber? This is basically just bringing ChatGPT to basically just bringing ChatGPT to Discord, which not super useful, but that's ultra AI at this point. Cool. Where's their pricing? I want to see. I want to see like what the price is. How do I go? Okay, 1 second. First, turn it off here since we already have dark mode. Where's their? They keep changing this. I want to see pricing. I want to see pricing. Okay, you know what? We could have Ultra AI say hello to every new person. We'll do that. We'll actually get something to do that. I don't know that we'll use LangChain and Python, but we will do something like this. Okay. You guys are more than welcome to test it out a little bit. It's pretty cheap. If you look at usage, yeah, it's like 155 tokens. I don't know how to Chat GPT token pricing. Where's the pricing? They gotta have pricing. Pricing OpenAI. Okay. Let's see. 4.0 mini. Their website is terrible. I wish they used AI to help them make this better, because it just is one of the worst. One of the worst. Show prices per one that pricing. Come on. You don't have 4.0 mini though. Here. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't scroll down far enough. Okay. Oh my goodness. Per 1,000 tokens. Per 1,000 input tokens, it is $1/100th of a penny. 1/100th of a penny. This is actually way cheaper. This is actually way cheaper than 3.5 turbo. And 3.5 turbo is already costing us very little. What we need to do is we need to update our GitHub, or not our GitHub, but our events, our Twitch events, to be on 4.0 mini. This is actually way cheaper. At Ultra AI, say hello to... Hello? Hello? How can I assist you today? I didn't say to do that. Okay. So the cool thing with LangChain, and what we're looking to do, is LangChain has, not that. Here we go. LangChain has this idea of tools and agents, and that's actually kind of what we want to try doing, is using LangChain with an agent. So there's a bunch of different agents out there that we could leverage. We're gonna play around with some of them and see how well they work. But yeah, that's basically oh, we don't want to do Jupyter. So have you guys used Jupyter Notebooks? I always struggle with them. I think I'd rather just use Vim. Yeah. So that's our next step here. I think how deep do we want to start here, or do we want to start doing something? I basically want to run through all of these. I think I basically want to run through all of these and learn to do them. The vector stores are interesting because I have some work to do some vector stuff with you all anyways. For a similarity search. I actually think that vector stores are undersold in what they can do outside of AI. Now, I realize that usually to make the vector, that's actually usually an AI model that builds that vector. So I get when I say outside of AI, but I mean that you can use a vector data store without you leveraging it for AI. And I think that honestly, there could be some pretty cool things there. We'll have to see. Okay. What is a prompt template? Oh, okay. We have yeah. We've been doing that. This is just like a formal way of doing that. Okay, yeah, no errors. Okay. So instead of doing this model.invoke, we would do prompt template from template. Okay. Instead of from the model. How does it know what model? You know what would be really cool is to have this for like Null Labs as a whole. So you could ask questions and get where YouTube videos go and things like that. Do you know what? I is wondering right now. This is so much cheaper. We're going to have to update Twitch alerts to use not 3.5 turbo. I think it should be really easy though, right? Right? This should be like super easy. I don't remember this code at all. Or where we set it, but it should just be set somewhere, right? What am I using? I don't ever set it anywhere, right? Oh gosh. Well, what project is this? What let's see. We're using ChatGPT, which is in ChatGPT. So Rust ChatGPT. Oh, did you get a follow message? Did you get a thank you for the new follow? Did you get a custom follow message? Because I didn't check. I didn't hear it in my headphones. I think I need to work on that because I don't hear the sound. You guys do. How do I set which version I want? Here we go. Here we go. I just want the engine. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Why did that did not work very well. Okay, that's better. Let's see. We don't want this. We don't want this. We do want this. What types are there? Show me your types. Let's see. Actually, it needs imported. I'm sure of it. There we go. And now we can go here. We want 4.0 mini. So we'll do this. Uh, 4.0 mini, right? And then we need to import this. Yep, done. And then this is chat key. Done, done, done. Client. I just saved money, everyone. I just saved money. Every single time you follow now, it costs me less. Okay. We will see. We will see. Okay, sorry, I just wanted to do this because this is gonna save me, like, I was gonna say a butt ton of money, but I've been spending like I don't get that many followers, new followers, to cost me a whole lot. Not at all. Okay. Cool though. All right. We actually need to deploy Twitch alerts to actually make it a different thing, but that's okay. That's okay. I think. Oh, thank you so much for the follow, Alex. You're a legend. And you face the void alone, but you don't have to, because the Null Party's here, and we got your back. We got your back. Thanks to everybody for joining today. I think that's going to be it. The next time I stream, which I know my streaming schedule's a little up in the air. I'd like to stream before next Saturday. I'm not going to promise that the news on Friday and my stream on Saturday aren't the next time I stream, but I would like to, because I just moved and there's so much going on. Like, I have to go because I got to go fix the dishwasher. And by fix, I mean actually replace. I have a new dishwasher. I got to go take the old one out and put the new one in. So I have to go, but the next one we do, we're actually going to make this an agent that actually does something. So that's kind of the cool thing that we're going to do with LangChain, and we're going to learn about. We're going to actually make this agent do more than just respond to people that add it. And we're going to learn some. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of Python because, one, I'm not good at it. But yeah, it should be fun. We should learn something. And in the end, we'll probably have a Discord and Twitch bot that connects the two together. I just don't know exactly what it will look like. In the spring, we're getting the digits from NVIDIA to do some local training. And one of the cool things that I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make it so that you as a subscriber, any subscriber to the Twitch channel, can access that digits machine and play around with it yourself as well when I'm not streaming. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks everybody for joining. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that follow or subscribe button, whether you're on YouTube or Twitch. Love to see you around. Hopefully I'll stream this week as long as everything doesn't fall apart. In that case,